take a video about automatic facial recognition, smart lock installation. Get our packaging first. Look at our packaging. Check the manual battery accessory bag, front panel and rear panel. We installed this lock body while we're installing this door. I didn't pretend just for time. Look at the direction of this lock. There is an important point. The direction of this lock tongue can be changed. Whether it is left or right, it can be exchanged. If you reverse, click this place and it will pop up. You can rotate it and change it. Let's install our lock cylinder first. Install this lock cylinder first. This side of the lock cylinder key faces the door. Moving lock cylinder screws. Fix the lock cylinder with the lock cylinder fixing screw. Let's grab the front panel again. Pass through the through hole of this lock body. The thread comes out of this hole. Our bamboo tip screws adjust the length well. Get our square pole. Take this square pole, this spring. I recommend putting a spring in the bag. Put it in like this. Plug it in here. The most important thing is to pay attention. After it is installed, the center of this square steel. It is the center of this round hole and the center of the square steel. And this lock cylinder with the center of this, we're going to hold it against the wall. Yes. After prison, align. So try to make the center of the circle face the center of this flat bar and the center of the circle against the center of the square steel. This is more important. Put it on and fix it tightly when it's symmetrical. One particular thing to notice is this tail of our lock cylinder, this length. It's just hard to control. Let me give you a very simple solution. This is what I have already sawed. That's where we put this panel on. Put the panel on it and compare it. Just a little shorter than this place and our side. Just a little shorter than the steps above. Just cut it off in this position. Make a mark with a marker and cut it off. This is what I cut off in advance. Hey, the connecting cable at the back is plugged in this position. Plug it in this position. Where is this line going? That is where we install it on our panel. The position of the gap, it's relatively empty. These two tails are aligned. If this is not good, right? I'll teach you a simple way to put the battery on it. For example, this tail is not good, right? We click to unlock or close the lock. It will automatically turn in. It automatically reverses. Here are 3 screws, 2 short ones on top. Just fix one. Close our battery cover again. The smart lock is installed. Installed. After the installation is complete, we checked one in particular. We press our unlock button first. The lock has been unlocked. Is it in the direction of this lock tongue? Is the unlock button correct for unlocking our lock? If not correct, then we'll start operate this panel. How to adjust the direction of the lock tongue. The next video will introduce you